What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak. In this video I will show you a new and beautiful tweak. This tweak will give you the iOS 16 depth effect on all iPhones. If you love the iOS 16 wallpaper depth effect on the lock screen but don't want to upgrade and lose your jailbreak, now with this tweak you can get depth effect. On iOS 16, depth effect wallpapers requires iPhone XS and above, but with this tweak you can get this effect on your older iPhones too. So as you see here, you will get depth effect on the lock screen and it works on all photos. Now I will show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go to Cydia. Go to the sources here and add HFX source. After adding the source, go to the search. Now here in the search for ExiWall tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. This tweak can't be downloaded with Cydia, so you will need to install Zebra Store to download it. Okay, I'm gonna open Zebra Store. Go to the sources here and add HFX source. Now go to the search and search for ExiWall tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. Now just go ahead and install the tweak. I already installed the tweak, so now I will upgrade the tweak. Confirm. Alright, the tweak has been installed successfully. Now click Restart Springboard. As you see, ExiWall has been successfully configured. Now click Respring to apply the settings. After installing the tweak, go to the settings to activate the tweak. Scroll down and find the tweak. This is the tweak. Now here, when you install the tweak for the first time, you will wait a few seconds and the tweak will be activated. Now here, make sure to enable the tweak. Okay, how does this tweak work? It's simple and easy. First, go to settings and open wallpaper. Now here, choose a new wallpaper or use the one you are using. I will choose a new wallpaper. Okay, I will choose this photo. As you see, ExiWall now analyzing the image. Boom, as you see, now you have the iOS 16 depth effect on your device. Just move and scale the image in the way that suits you and then click Set. ExiWall works best on images with the big well-lit objects with contrasting backgrounds. ExiWall is a great tweak, but you should know that ExiWall is not compatible with the perspective zoom feature, which moves the wallpaper when the device tilts. This has to do with how subject rendering is achieved. ExiWall is a nice tweak because not only does it support iOS 14, but it also supports handsets older than the iPhone XS, while iOS 16 only officially supports this feature on the iPhone XS and newer. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Peace.